guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys $1 slime recipes. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. But before we get started, I want to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Wix. So guys, a few weeks ago, I made my very own website, allthingsnim.com, using Wix, and it turned out absolutely amazing. If you guys are looking into making your own website, I totally recommend using Wix. You can make pretty much any type of website using Wix, from a personal blog to a slime shop. The possibilities are endless since Wix has a professional solution for all your website needs. From a variety of different apps to getting a custom domain for your website, Wix also gives you total creative freedom to make your website using their website builder to build a site from scratch, or choose from their many templates and customize it to your needs. Honestly, I've had a really good experience making my website using Wix, so if you guys want to make your own website, they were kind enough to offer a coupon code. Use the code NIM100 to get 10% off their unlimited premium plan. So be sure to check out the description box for all of the details. So a huge thank you to Wix for sponsoring this video, and with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alrighty guys, for all of these slime recipes, I'm going to be using ingredients from Dollar Tree. So for the first slime recipe, in my bowl, I'm going to pour some white glue. From the craft section, I picked up this set of paint, and I'm going to use the light blue color, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the darker blue to just deepen up the color. This is going to be a Cookie Monster inspired slime, so that's basically the color that I'm trying to achieve. Once you're happy with the color, you want to go ahead and activate your slime. At Dollar Tree, I also found diapers, and I've seen a lot of recipes where you can use like the inside of the diaper to kind of make cloud slime. It doesn't really feel like cloud slime in my opinion, but it does give it a nice texture, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. Here I have a diaper that I've opened up, and I'm going to go ahead and soak it with some water. Once you've let it sit for a bit, you can take your pair of scissors and cut open the diaper. Here you'll kind of see that it does look like instant snow. It also kind of feels like it, but not really. It's hard to describe, so I'm not going to even try to describe it, but it was kind of like dry, so I did add some more water, and now I'm going to pop it into a bowl and start dipping my slime into it. There's one super important thing I want to mention. Do not add too much water. If you add a lot of water to the diaper, it's going to make your slime really wet, and it's also going to like melt your slime. It doesn't feel good at all, so try not to add too much water. This is not a drizzly cloud slime, it just gives it a really nice texture, and yeah, it feels super soft. It's very spreadable and thick. Now to make this slime look like the Cookie Monster, I picked up this pack of googly eyes from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm gonna pop the eyes on top. For the mouth, I cut a piece of some craft foam, and here is the slime all completed. For the next slime recipe, I have some clear glue that I'm going to pour into a bowl. From the makeup section at Dollar Tree, I found these LA Colors eyeshadow, and these are so pretty and metallic. So I'm going to be using the purple one, and I'm going to add that to the glue and mix it all together. I did also add some gold eyeshadow, and once that's all mixed together, I'm gonna go ahead and activate the slime. So the slime is all completed. Now I'm gonna top it off with some glitter. The glitter is also from Dollar Tree. So first I'm adding this fine glitter, and then I'm also gonna add some chunky glitter. I also added this adorable unicorn charm on top, and there is the slime all completed. For the next slime recipe, we're going to be making some cotton candy inspired slime. So in a bowl here, I'm gonna add some white glue. Next, you are going to need some shaving cream. This is what I found at Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna add that to the glue. I also picked up some foaming hand soap, and I'm gonna add a few pumps of that as well. Once that's all mixed together, I went ahead and I activated the slime. To make my slime feel soft and stretchy, I also added in some body lotion. Once that's done, you want to divide the slime in 2 equal parts. At Dollar Tree, I found acrylic paint, so in half of the slime, I'm going to add some neon blue, and then in the other half, I'm going to add some neon pink. I put both of the colors half and half in a container. The glitter, by the way, is not from Dollar Tree, it's from Dollarama. It was under $1, by the way, so I just thought I'd let you know. And there is the slime all completed. For the final slime recipe, I'm going to be making some jelly cube slime. In a bowl, I'm going to add some clear glue. Here I have some glitter poster paint, and I'm going to mix 2 colors together. So I'm going to mix some orange and yellow. Once you're happy with the color, you can go ahead and activate your slime. For the cubes, I found these quick erasers, and these are perfect to make jelly cube slime. So all I'm gonna do is cut them into small little cubes. All I'm gonna do now is fold the cubes into the slime, and you wanna let this sit for about a day so that the cubes can like absorb the slime. I'm gonna top it off with some chunky glitter, and there is the slime all completed. And that is it for today's video. Let me know in a comment down below which slime recipe was your favorite. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.